Academy. He studied at a famous academy. Ancient. They discovered an ancient city underground. Lesson 16. Board. He wrote the answers on the board. Century. The castle was built in the 12th century. Clue. The detective found a clue on the floor. Concert. We went to a live concert last night. County. She lives in a small county by the sea. Dictionary. He looked up the word in a dictionary. Exist. Dinosaurs no longer exist. Flat. The land here is very flat. Gentleman. The gentleman opened the door for her. Hidden. They found a hidden room behind the wall. Maybe. Maybe we can go out later. Officer. The officer checked our documents. Original. This is the original painting. Pound. He pounded on the door loudly. Process. Learning a language is a long process. Publish. They will publish the book next month. Theater. We watched the movie at a big theater. Wealth. The family gained great wealth from business. Lesson 17. Appreciate. I really appreciate your help. Available. The product is now available online. Beat. He beat the drum loudly. Bright. The room is very bright in the morning. Celebrate. They celebrated their anniversary yesterday. Determine. We need to determine the cause of the problem. Disappear. The cat suddenly disappeared. Else. Do you want anything else? Fair. The decision was completely fair. Slow. The river flows through the valley. Forward. Please move forward a little. Hill. They climbed a small hill near the village. Level. His English level is improving. Lone. A lone wolf stood on the rock. Puddle. The kids jumped into the puddle. Response. She didn't give any response. Season. Summer is my favorite season. Solution. We need a better solution for this issue. Waste. Don't waste your time on that. Weather. I don't know whether he will come. Lesson 18. Argue. They often argue about small things. Communicate. We need to communicate clearly. Crowd. A large crowd gathered in the square. Depend. Children depend on their parents. Dish. This dish tastes delicious. Empty. The room is completely empty. Exact. Can you tell me the exact time? Fresh. These vegetables are very fresh. Gather. They gathered information online. Indicate. The results indicate a big change. Item. This item is on sale today. Offer. They offered me a better job. Price. The price of fuel is rising. Product. This product is very popular. Property. They invested in property last year. Purchase. She purchased a new phone yesterday. Recommend. I recommend this restaurant. Select. Please select your favorite color. Tool. A hammer is a useful tool. Treat. You should treat everyone with respect. Lesson 19. Alive. The rescue team found the missing hiker alive. Bone. The dog buried a bone in the backyard. Bother. I'm sorry to bother you so late at night. Captain. The captain gave orders to the crew. Conclusion. We finally reached the conclusion after hours of discussion. Doubt. There is no doubt that she is the best candidate. Explore. They explored the cave for several hours. Foreign. He enjoys learning foreign languages. Glad. I'm glad you liked the gift. However. The task was difficult. However, we finished on time. Injustice. They protested against social injustice. International. She works for an international company. Lawyer. The lawyer prepared the documents carefully. Mention. She didn't mention the reason for her absence. Policy. The company updated its privacy policy. Social. Social issues affect everyone. Speech. He gave a powerful speech at the event. Staff. The hotel staff were very friendly. Toward. She walked toward the exit. Wood. This table is made of solid wood. Lesson 20. Achieve. She achieved her goal after years of hard work. Advise. The doctor advised him to rest more. Already. I've already finished my homework. Basic. You need a basic understanding of math for this job. Bit. Could you give me a bit of advice? Consider. We should consider all options before deciding. Destroy. The fire destroyed the building completely. Entertain. The show really entertained the audience. Extra. She brought an extra jacket in case it got cold. Goal. His goal is to become a doctor. Lie. She likes to lie on the grass and watch the sky. Meat. They don't eat meat on Mondays. Opinion. Everyone has a different opinion on the topic. Real. Is this diamond real or fake? Reflect. The water reflects the sunlight beautifully. Regard. She regards him as her best friend. Serve. They serve breakfast from 7 to 10 a.m. Vegetable. Eating vegetables is good for your health. War. Many families were separated during the war. Worse. The painting is worth a lot of money.